Hey loves, got another quick DIY. I'm going to make this little lantern box for you. And it's very simple, it was very quick and just cute. I'm going to take 4 of these 4x6 Dollar Tree frames. It doesn't really matter the color. You could paint them, but I'm going to leave mine black. And so I'm just going to start by taking all the plastic off and all the extra little cushion and glare. I'm going to remove the glass off as well. And I'm going to set the glass off to the side. And I'm going to do that for all 4 frames. And you have to be careful because you know these frames break very easily. I don't know how many people have experienced Dollar Tree frames, but they're not the best quality. As you can see, I have a little niche in mine, but I didn't see it when I brought it, so it's fine. It's just a little nudge in the glass. So I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to pull these little tabs off, and they pull out really easy, but you have to be careful because I wasn't sure and I was actually twisting and I snapped a piece of one of my frames, so you definitely have to be careful with that. I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to put it in the corners of each frame just because, like I said, they really do break easy in the corners. So I'm just going to secure them with a little hot glue, and I'm going to do that for each frame as well. Then I'm just going to go back in with the hot glue and I'm going to place the glass back in. And I'm going to put a dot of hot glue in each corner of the glass just to ensure that the glass has a little more security to it. Then I'm going to hot glue each frame together. Very easy steps just to make a box. And as you could tell, I was a little heavy on the hot glue, but still turned out good. I'm going to take this Dollar Tree ribbon, and I chose this blue because it goes with my living room color. I'm just going to place it on each corner, front and back of the frame. And this doesn't have the self-adhesing stickness to it, so I have to use hot glue to apply it. And I'm just taking a little hot glue and placing it on each script and laying them across in each corner just to cover up the glue spots. So this is how it looks. And that's front and back. I place the scripts on. I'm going to take the hardware off of the back of the frame because this is going to be my bottom. I'm just going to remove all of that. Excuse me, I do have a little cold, guys. But after I get all of that removed, I'm just going to take my black acrylic paint and paint it. I used some hot glue to apply it. I found these lights a while back from Dollar Tree, some emergency lights. I didn't like the way they looked, so I'm going to take it out and apply a little more ribbon and a lantern. I also cut out a piece of cardboard that I'm going to use for my top, and I'm just going to paint it black and put some holes in it and use a zip tie to apply it. I found this lantern at Dollar Tree. I'm going to spray paint it white. I'm going to use this silver bling wrap, and I'm just going to measure off a piece, cut it off, and I'm going to stick it to the wall or the glass of the lantern, of the box, and just give it a little backsplash pretty much. And it's just simple. And while I'm doing this, I'm letting my lantern dry. And I just used one coat of spray paint. I didn't want it to. So while I let my lantern dry, I found a huge zip tie. It came in a box for something I ordered. I'm going to paint it black. I applied some holes, and I'm going to use the zip tie to make a handle pretty much. And it's nice and sturdy. I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm going to place my lantern in the box. Put some hot glue on each corner of the top and set it down on there, and it just looks so good and it holds up nicely. I can pick it up by the handle and it doesn't go anywhere, and it just looks nice. I did go in and add some more of the blue bling on the top and bottom of this one side. Just, I don't know, I just felt like I needed to help pull the top down as well. And this is the finished product. I just added it to my DIY table, put some more accessories around it, and it turned out perfectly. I just love the way it looked. It was quick and fun, and I just really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.